some changes in the trough yesterday. I replenished some of the soil, so I've put some wooden bits in just to hold this back, because obviously down here it's a lot lower. So you can see that I've filled this up considerably. I know I still need to go a lot more, and what I've done, I've just sectioned it all off so that I can replant in here. And I've actually put one of my other tomato plants in so that that can start thriving in this area here and not be harmed by whatever else is in the other trough. So that's my new area. What do you think I should plant in here along with my tomato? If you like the videos I'm doing, please like and subscribe. Here's the rest of my trough for today. Peas still not very happy, but perking up are the sweet pepper, the basil and the sweet potato, and this here is my sunflower. So we'll see how that goes, and I've put another one next to him to see if he'll survive. So they're not doing too bad. The white onions, well, few and far between, but I have got two here, look. Yay! I've got two that might actually be growing. Then update on the courgettes. They're coming out nicely, already eaten two. And then over here, got a really nice juicy big one. More coming up there. And the tomatoes, they're getting nice and big. Some of the little baby ones, look. Just waiting for those to start going green, which is fine. Then over into the second trough, the beef tomatoes, the beef steak, they're coming up nicely now. Got three going on there. And then the earliest one that came, she's now turning orange, which is wonderful. We've got some more on the other plant. Not very many on this one. It's the first time I've done beefsteak. That's the crater, which was the cauliflower and the broccoli. Mr. Marrow, you can see he's doing really well. He's huge. So I'll see what I'm going to do with him. And then the courgettes. What I've done to keep them off the ground, I've got some sticks underneath all of the plants just to keep them off so that they're not getting soggy. Just doing a bit of trapeze work there for them. Beans, dwarf beans, not too bad. Not doing too much, but not too bad. My climbing courgettes, he's doing lovely. He's got a nice big one there. We've got some lovely little ones here coming along with all the flowers, look. And good morning. How are we? Are you looking after my peas? The peas are not happy. Still don't know what to do with the peas. I still need to read up on the peas. Life is never ending in the garden. So I'll leave you with my beefsteak tomato looking fab. And I'll give you another update soon. Happy Sunday.